Oh, she's on a wall. I haven't done this since freaking like summer. Oh my god.
Look at the top of his head.
Welcome back. Okay, so you guys are probably, oops, sorry, I had a wedgie. Okay, so you're probably wondering what we're doing here today, but based on the title of this video, we're basically gonna do my splits. We're gonna basically try to get my splits back in one day. So if you didn't know, I'm on my school's dance team, like the drill team, and basically where we just basically compete, do contests, and with that we work out every day and we stretch every day, because as being a dancer we have to maintain our flexibility. But since this corona time, I haven't been stretching for like 3 weeks. So we're just gonna do an Alivia D'Andrea workout, split workout, to see if we can get my splits in the back in a day. So like tonight, I'm sure y'all know her because like she's most known for her glow up series. So we're just gonna do her workout and see if we can do it, if we can get my splits back. We're gonna be targeting our left, right, and then middle split. I had from what I remember, I had my left and right split, but I never had my middle split. So we're just gonna see how far we can go. So if you want to see what I have going on right now, this is literally what I have. So this is my right split. This is literally how far I can go, basically. And then my left is way worse than my right. My left, this is literally my left, like my middle, dude. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's my middle. I can't even hold it. I really can't even hold my middle split, but that's my middle.
Let's do this. And my personal formula, that's one of the most helpful exercises that I have done to get my splits. You want to get your splits.
Oh god, we're starting.
The following exercises are all for the right splits until I notify you to change your legs. Here's a good leg.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storm.
My right feels so much easier because like my right, y'all can't even see my hair. My right's easier because like we're so used to doing everything on our right on the dance team that like it's just way more stretched out. So now it's just she's in straddle. And make sure you point your feet, guys. Wait, girl, wait.
We chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, with your left leg. And then remember to keep your foot either pointed, flexed or pointed. Pull as far as you can while still keeping this leg straight. And then go ahead. Okay, my left leg isn't that bad. It went further than I thought it was gonna go. Oh, she's on a wall. I haven't done this since freaking like summer. I just painted my toes and I really don't want to like chip them. So basically this is gonna hurt. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's gonna hurt.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Look at the top of his head.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
I'm gonna just hold it for 15 seconds.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So now the moment of truth, we just finished it. So now it's just, we gotta do our splits. So we're gonna see if I finally have my splits after all this time. And I'm pretty sure I am, because that was a pretty good stretch. It really like stretched out my legs, so. And then we're just gonna like slide into it. Hey, hey. So we got our right split. It kind of hurts, but you know, at least we have it done. All right, so that's check one for right split. Now we're gonna see if we got our left split. This one is going to hurt. Like, this one is going to hurt because my left split is literally the worst one. So I know this one's gonna hurt. Oh. Oh my gosh, right. Oh my god, it hurts really bad. It hurts it right here. But like, hey. Oh my god. But at least I did it. So scratch the left split off. And now we're gonna do our middle. Even though we didn't really do a lot of middle exercises, we're just gonna see if we got it somewhat lower. So. As you can see, I know how my middle split, but I never had it anyway, so that's another challenge, another day, another video. So thanks for watching this video with me of me trying to do my splits. So as you can see, Alivia D'Andrea, she still never did me wrong after all these years. Her exercises work, so make sure you check her out. So yeah, I got my splits in a day, so I don't feel totally useless. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later. Peace.
I am so.
They know how we ride. Gang, gang, and squad, squad.